Your customer sends a message on WhatsApp. Your agent is on Facebook and someone else is handling email. And nobody has the full picture. This is what customer communication looks like today. Not just for small businesses, for literally everyone. Fragmented, reactive, and exhausting. And the industry's answer? Another tool, another tab, another platform. We looked at that answer and we said, no. If communication is broken at the foundation, you don't patch it, you rebuild it. So we did. 3 breakthroughs: a centralized communication hub, a natively intelligent engine, and a structured case management system. Not 3 products, not 3 modules. One system. Introducing TingTing Omni. Let's start with the problem every team knows, but nobody talks about. Your customer reaches out on Instagram on Monday, follows up on WhatsApp on Wednesday, sends an email on Friday. And every single time, your agent starts from zero. No history, no context, no continuity. Just another conversation that feels like the first one. That ends now. Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, email, website, you name it, everything arrives in just one place. Your team no longer jumps between the tools. Your conversation no longer disappears into tabs. Everything lives inside one intelligent stream of communication. But a unified inbox is only half the story, because messages without memory are just noise. Every message, every channel, every conversation, all connected to one customer profile. Your team instantly sees the entire relationship, not just the latest message. Because support should never start from zero. Now, what if your team didn't have to type the same answers over and over again? What if your system already knew what to say? This is not a chatbot. Chatbots guess. TingTing Omni retrieves. You upload your product guides, your policies, your FAQs, and TingTing Knowledge Engine reads them, understands them, and responds instantly using your own words. Not hallucinated, not generic, truly yours. Your teams can review the reply and send it, or let the AI handle it automatically. Either way, your response time drops, your accuracy goes up, and your team finally has the time to focus on conversations that actually need them. But some issues are bigger than just a reply. Some problems need follow-up, escalation, ownership, and that's exactly why we built tickets directly into the system. Any conversations in seconds become a structured support case. Categorize, prioritize, assigned, and even tracked. From the first message to full resolution, nothing disappears, nothing is forgotten, everything is just organized. Look at what the industry is still selling. Multiple platforms, multiple dashboards, multiple integrations, glued together with hope and workarounds. That era is finally ending. Because intelligence should not sit on top of communication. It must live inside it. You don't bolt systems together, you build one system where communication, knowledge, and case management are not connected, they are one. This is not a concept. It is not a roadmap. And sorry, it is not coming soon. For businesses ready to stop managing chaos and start running communication the way it was always supposed to work. Welcome to TingTing Omni.